The Claas Lexion 770 is a mobile harvesting factory weighing around 18.2 tons, armed with a header about 9.3 meters wide and a 12,800-liter grain tank capable of swallowing a crop strip more than 9 meters wide in a single pass. The machine is powered by a 6-cylinder Mercedes-Benz OM 473 LA engine producing around 577 horsepower, combined with APS hybrid threshing technology, and operates by charging across the field, cutting the crop at the front, pulling the stems and heads into the threshing chamber, separating grain with massive mechanical force, blowing away chaff with high volume airflow, then moving clean grain into the tank before unloading it into a grain cart running. Alongside, when combined with a Claas Lexion tractor pulling a Claas Cargos grain wagon, this machine forms an unstoppable system built to handle massive grain harvests across hundreds of hectares of farmland. The Claas Lexion 780 is a mobile grain processing fortress, weighing around 19 tons in heavy-duty TerraTrack configuration. Armed with a wide Vario header, APS hybrid threshing technology, and a 1280013 500-liter grain tank, capable of pushing grain out through its unloading auger at roughly 130 liters per second during a high-speed unloading operation. The machine is driven by a Mercedes-Benz OM 473 6-cylinder diesel engine with up to about 617 horsepower, paired with Claas Roto plus axial separation, and operates by slicing through standing crops, drawing the entire crop mat into the feeder house, stripping kernels from the heads through the threshing drum, spinning the remaining straw through twin rotors to capture leftover grain, then separating chaff and dust before storing clean grain for transfer on the move. When combined with a Claas Lexion tractor pulling a Claas Cargos grain wagon, this machine forms an unstoppable system built for massive cereal fields, contractor harvesting fleets, and high-pressure harvest windows where every minute of field time matters.